Alright, what's up guys, Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how you can contact the Amazon Merch on Demand support to answer your question, okay? And so if you're struggling with some rejection or if you're struggling with your Merch by Amazon account or anything related to the platform, then this video could be for you, okay? So let's go right in. So first of all, let's go on the Amazon Merch on Demand website and log into your account, and on the top here you have a button that says resources, so let's just click on that, and then there's a section here where we can contact us, and we're simply going to click on the contact us button. And from here I'm assuming that you have your own Amazon Merch account, and then there's a link here to simply submit your question. Then once you're on this page, you're simply going to select your marketplace that you have your question, and then you're simply going to select the subject that your question is about, and then you're simply going to type your message and your issue. And from my experience, Amazon Merch usually take from an hour or two to answer your question. And if this video was helpful to you, you could consider watching this video where I explain my whole Amazon Merch process from designing to publishing on the platform. And so I hope that this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you have any question, okay? Peace.